come to this historical occasion, the first of its kind throughout the nation. Today, we opening the mill ruin site. This place is a sure delight to tell all stories and tales about the ancestors and the old-time days. So sit back, relax, and listen well to a wee version of the plantation that we will now tell. Beat your drum, Mr. Drummer.
We often don't see schools getting involved in this kind of deep history research and deep history archiving. So I think it's a very exciting venture, and I think I would love to see more schools be involved in this kind of way.
So I'm really very pleased how it has turned out. It is indeed a blessing. This is very important because tourism is one of the biggest money spenders in the world.
When I went into the tourism club, I actually got to socialize better with others, and I realized I got braver during the process, so I am able to communicate a lot and way better with others.
Beat your drum, Mr. Drummer.